Hello and welcome to 2023. All right, so it's a new year, and like many of us, we always set our New Year's resolutions, and a lot of people, one of those is to improve our credit. So that is something that I know that a lot of people were wanting to do, but for years, but they've just never taken that step to do it. One of the biggest reasons, of course, is financial. They just cannot afford to pay for a company to do credit repair services for them, which is perfectly understandable. This economy has been really, really tough, including, myself. I've also had to struggle these last year or so because it's been just a really, really tough year. 2020 was a really tough year. So if you do not have the flexibility in your income to invest in your credit to hire a company, you don't need to, but you definitely need to invest in your credit in some manner, whether you're doing it yourself, which is fine. Just do not dispute online. That is the cheap and lazy way to clean your credit. That is not credit repair. So you definitely want to make sure that you are writing letters, contacting the credit bureaus, contacting the creditors, all of those things. But you've got to be willing and able to dedicate at least on average 7 to 9 months. It's not going to happen overnight. So don't set yourself to have unrealistic expectations. The things you hear on internet and YouTube that has this magic letter that you can just mail and send to the credit bureaus and voila, everything's deleted. That's just not realistic. And if that did exist, then I would be a millionaire and I wouldn't have to work so hard. So credit repair is about helping to obviously clean up your credit, but also educating you about how credit works. So a lot of people focus on their credit scores, but don't realize that 65% of your credit score is actually based on what you're doing today. So these are all things that you should, if you are in a good credit repair company program, then they should help you, of course, clean up your credit, but also educate you, take time to meet with you, schedule in our program, you schedule one-on-one meetings with me so that we have a solid 15 minutes for me to be able to go over your progress, give you guidance, make suggestions to you that's going to not only help you get into your, to get your credit scores up, but to also help put you in a better financial position overall. Because my goal is to make sure that when you're in my program, I want you to learn as much as you can, take as much knowledge with you as you can when you graduate from our program so that you never need credit repair again. So that is our goal. And if you don't understand how credit works, the right methods to use and strategies, not going out and getting a bunch of credit cards because Credit Karma told you to or your friend told you to, and now you've got more bills and more debt and your credit scores are not really moving or increasing the way you'd like to. So this is all major part of our credit program. This is KCMS, Credit Repair and Education. So I would love to partner with you. My team and I are very, very dedicated to helping you achieve your credit goals. And so just give me a call at 817-271-6342. I'm at extension 3, or you can email me, maria@kcmsfinancialgroup.com. Go to our website, www.kcmsfinancialgroup.com. Whichever way is good for you, but you've got to get into credit repair. With this economy, the interest rates are getting higher and higher, and the people that are paying the most are the ones with low credit score. So the lower your credit score is, the higher your interest rates are. So if you have high interest loans now, like auto loans or mortgage loans or high interest credit cards, get into the program. You've got to get your credit. For you to save money and be able to create or put money into an IRA or savings so that you can create generational wealth, you've got to start with your credit. And you're not going to get there until you dedicate the time and the attention and make the financial commitment, because unfortunately that's what it takes. And again, it's financial doesn't mean for you to pay a company necessarily, but for you to make the cost of writing the letters and sending them out and mailing them out and doing all that. So it's the cost of time. But all of that can be achieved in 2023. I'd love to be able to help you with that. So just reach out to us and we are here to help you whenever you're ready. All right. It's a pleasure. And I look forward to working with you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.